guys, I am UV. Welcome to the channel Haiku Nation. Today we are going to Hall Museum. So let's start. As you guys see there, this is Hall Museum. We are going to see some vehicles, more transports and all. This is a waterfall. From outside only this looks very cool. So stay tuned. This is going to be a lot fun. This is our first thing, the aeroplane. This is a lot awesome. I'm gonna show you a little far away. Whoa! Isn't this awesome? Marut. We are going to check this now. So it has wheels, of course. 3 of them. It is like a. There is the seat. There is like this. This plane's like number is D1698. Now let's check the next one. So now this is the plane MiG-21. As you guys see on the board, this is a fighter plus trainer. This is the second plane of this museum. Isn't this awesome? There are the seats and there's the back. Guys, this is an Hindustan jet. As you guys see there, this is a trainer 236 JT. I love planes and its number is like S342. This is like red color and there's the seat. And what is that? What is this? This is the steer of this plane. So yeah, let's get to the next plane.
देख ये फ्लिप है, ये देख ये गिनना है, मैं शूट हो
This changes the direction of the plane so it can turn and all. This changes the direction. Guys, this is light combat flight. This is light combat aircraft. So as you guys can see, there's the seat there. This plane looks like this. Yeah. This is awesome. Guys, this is an Ajit. This has single seat and yeah, it looks like this. It is very big. It is shown like by standing. This is one seat and short range ground attached fighter.
टारगेट
Yes.
पॉइंट
There is the target. Guys, look at this waterfall just fastly. Doesn't that look awesome? Yeah. Guys, this is Canberra flight. It is also like an aeroplane jet. This is an multiple aircraft of Indian Air Force. You are seeing super closely. Guys, this is advanced light helicopter. Dhruv. This is designed in like developed train engine. It looks like this, as you guys are seeing. This is a green color. I like even the color combination. Guys, this is Sea King Mk-42. This is like also an helicopter. It has wings and all. This plane is manufactured by GKN Westland Helicopters Ltd UK. Guys, this is Starbro. Guys, now this is solar street light. This is used photovoltaic cells for generating electrical energy. This generates electrical energy. And now this is, which you see spinning, it is micro hybrid wind and solar power generator. That is solar water heater and this is solar panel. This all doesn't cause any pollutions. That is a fun fact. Even there is something I can't see. I know the name. Portable domestic biogas unit. Guys, that plane is HPT 32. Where Starbro is going, that is the HPT 32. So this is an plane. Also, there is no like fighter and things. This is a fully aerobatic pilot trainer designed and developed by Aircraft Design Bureau, ADB. Also we call that ADB. Also in Bangalore, this is there. Two light wide side by side. This is we can even adjust seats in this plane. Yeah, and there's the opening of this plane. Wow, this is very close. I can hold this. Nice. Oh, this is the like turner thing. It turns the way of the plane. Guys, these plants are orchidarium, where orchidarium grows, and orchidarium plants are also there. So yeah, guys, this is also a plane. I don't know this name, but this is C, as you guys see the code like there, C1691. Yeah, so this is also a plane with like 3 wheels. Free. Look at Star, bro. What is he doing? How do you go inside? Don't go inside. That is not a rule. Whoa, I found so much land. I think that's there, like they take off the lands and all and take off the planes. Guys, this is air traffic control radar and antenna. Whoa, this is huge, isn't it? That is a lot big. So basically, radar stands for radio detection, ranging. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this museum and aeroplanes, and if you did, please like this video, share this video to others so they can also have some knowledge of aeroplanes, and subscribe to my channel. Close to 25 subscribers, that is our goal right now, and I'll see all of you guys in the next video. Peace out and bye everyone.